Hi, this is Laura Gillott with Keller Williams Realty Mid-Willamette and a licensed broker in Oregon since 1992. I wanted to personally invite you to attend our New Year's Day celebration on January 1st from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. We'll have some bubbly, hors d'oeuvres, music, great conversation, office tours, a photographer if you want a complimentary family photo, or if you have purchased or sold a home with us anytime in the past 28 years, we would love to get a sold signed snapshot to add to our marketing. This is an open house style, so please stop in and just say hello. Our location is at 266 East Grant Street here in Lebanon. If any of your New Year's resolutions involves real estate, please let us know and we'll help be your accountability partner to ensure you have the best success. Remember, opportunity is never lost. It simply moves on to someone else if you don't seize it. I'm Laura Gillott, and we are honored to be your real estate resource. Thank you for watching and sharing this video.